Hello everyone, this is Pashta Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today I want to show you a review of the trench coat. I showed you how to make such trench coat without a pattern. I'm sure that you'll manage to make such trench coats without problems. I also showed you how to make such collars. Let me tell you about trench coats. Thomas Burberry created trench coats in 1901. Originally, it was a raincoat. Anyway, the main features of the trench coats were the same: a vent at the waistband, yokes on the front and on the back, shoulder straps, stand collars. In my trench coat, the stand collar is pretty classic. There is usually a strap on the collar, which fastens the two sides of the collar together. The design of trench coats hasn't changed for many years. Modern designers like to experiment with classic designs. They add some new details to trench coats, and they also use some features of the trench coats in different outer clothes. It allows us to sew in a lot of different interesting clothes. I made a very comfortable light coat. It's sleeveless. It's too warm for trench coats with sleeves where I live. This is not a jacket, not a vest, not even a trench coat actually. But at the same time, it is a trench coat. You can wear such trench coats with cotton shirts, with light blouses, or even sweaters. These are the details which make these trench coats so stylish: yokes, pockets, the fact that it's double-breasted, waistband, vent. Have a look at the waistband. Of course, I'm not going to tie it up. I made it for it to hang beautifully this way. It's very stylish. You know that I love it when there are a lot of different small details in a garment. I'm also not going to button the trench coat. I'll wear it this way. I'm going to wear this shirt with different skirts, not just this one. I have a dark blue skirt, which would also match the shirt. I think that the necklace also looks really good here. I love the outfit. The trench coat is pretty strong, so I can wear it even in windy weather. Of course, it is possible to button this coat, but I'm not going to wear it this way. It's not convenient to do it because there is a mic attached to the back of the shirt. This is how the trench coat looks like when it's buttoned. I'm not going to button it ever again. I wear it this way. I'm also not going to tie up the waistband. This coat is very comfortable, but at the same time beautiful. All of these small details make the trench coat look very stylish. As I've already said, I'm not going to button the trench coat. Anyway, there is a buttonhole here. It has to be here. This is one of the classic features of the trench coats. There is just one yoke on the front. I didn't have enough fabric to make two of them. There is nothing on the back. I was thinking whether to make a yoke on the back or not. Then it turned out that I didn't have enough fabric. The choice was made for me. The trench coat with the yoke on the back would have also been too hot for me. Let me show you a bag I'm going to wear with this trench coat. I'm absolutely happy that I decided to show you how to make such trench coats. I hope that you like it when I show you how to sew something without a pattern. You can sew a lot of different garments using these techniques. Someone told me that my trench coat reminds them of 80s. Guys, there were no sleeveless trench coats in 80s, trust me. I saw this design in a recent fashion magazine. Have a look at my bag. It's made of cotton and linen. The embroidery is handmade. I think that it matches my shoes perfectly. There are some orange details in this bag. I think that the color of sequins matches the stripes of my shirt. The bag makes the outfit look more casual. I love this trench coat. I'm happy that I showed you how to make it. I also showed you how to make a collar. I remind you that stand collar should begin and end right on the center front. Don't ever draw a stand collar by side. This is how it looks like when I match the two sides together. I'm not going to wear the trench coat this way, but you can do it. Have a close look at the trench coat once again. It's very convenient. Trench coats are in trend for more than 100 years already. I'm sure that they will never be out of style. I showed you how to make a trench coat with drop shoulders without a pattern. You can also make a trench coat on the basis of a basic pattern. What is very important is that you should like clothes you wear. When you look great, you also feel great. People around you can see it too. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Pakshta Irina. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, press the like and the bell buttons. Thank you. Goodbye.